Today, I am introducing you to a game-changing device, the OnePlus 13. As technology evolves, OnePlus continues to push boundaries, and with this latest flagship, the brand sets new benchmarks in design, performance, and innovation. Design and build quality. The OnePlus 13 introduces a fresh design with flat edges and a refined aesthetic, available in Midnight Ocean, Blue, Arctic Dawn, White, and Black Eclipse, Black. Unlike its predecessor, the circular camera module does not extend to the frame, giving it a sleeker look. The phone offers IP68 and IP69 ratings, making it one of the most water-resistant smartphones available today. Display excellence. OnePlus has always been known for vibrant displays, and the 6.82-inch 1440 by 3168 AMOLED panel with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate does not disappoint. What sets it apart is the ability to adjust refresh rates dynamically. For instance, static text can refresh at 10 Hz, while videos run at 120 Hz, optimizing both performance and battery life. At the heart of the OnePlus 13 is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering unparalleled speed and efficiency. Coupled with a 6,000 mAh battery and fast charging, this device ensures all-day usage without compromise. Running on Oxygen OS 15, based on Android 15, it guarantees a smooth and intuitive user experience. Camera innovation. The triple camera system is another standout feature, consisting of a 50MP Sony LYT 808 primary sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view, a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and optical image stabilization. This combination, along with a 4K 60 frames per second video recording and Dolby Vision support, makes it one of the best smartphone cameras available. Pricing and market impact. With cutting-edge features, the OnePlus 13 is expected to be priced under $849, while the more affordable OnePlus 13R will be available for under $599. Conclusion. The OnePlus 13 is more than just a smartphone, it's a statement. It brings together power, design, and innovation, solidifying OnePlus's position as a leader in the premium smartphone market. With its impressive performance, stunning display, and next-level camera capabilities, this device is ready to redefine mobile experiences. Thank you. To watch this video, please like and subscribe to our channel Jucter.